Hi everyone, Namaste all. Welcome to ServiceNow-INDIA. Today we are here to learn a tool which provides the filtering the data regarding the reference fields in ServiceNow forms. It's called the reference qualifier. The major definition for reference qualifier is a tool which is used to filter the data displayed in the reference field and restricting the choices available to the users. We may call it as restricting the data regarding the reference fields in the form. It's called as an reference qualifier. Let's show you what is reference qualifier like. If you open any record, like I'll open incident record here, and if you go for this caller, if I click on this reference icon, and it is showing some list of users here, like 630 users we have. I don't want to display all the user accounts here when I click on this reference icon. To make this possible, we have something called as reference qualifier, and majorly the reference qualifier is into three types: simple, dynamic, and advanced. We'll learn about first what is simple reference qualifier and how it uses. Like, it uses and or conditions to filter the records based upon the field values. For examples, if you want to filter users to only show the active users, we can also do that. Let me show you the simple reference qualifier. Right click on the caller column, go for configure dictionary, and we have a section called reference specification here, and where we can see a reference column which is used to refer a table for the reference columns, and we have use reference qualifier here. Okay, like we have simple, dynamic, and advanced. Let's learn what is simple here. If it is right now simple without any conditions like a reference qualifying conditions, we don't have any conditions here. If I select as name or first name starts with yes. Okay, I'm just mentioning only a condition called first name starts with yes. Click on update. Then you can see, like in the incident form, if you click on this reference field called caller, then it will show only the 40 user accounts whose first name starts with yes. Okay, it doesn't displays the entire content, as we know that reference qualifier is to restrict the data towards the user view, and we can have the simple reference qualifier by using and or conditions to filter the records. Okay, let's add another condition and I'll show you how it will be. Like, right click on the column. It can work for all reference columns. For example, if you want to go for assignment group also, it works because the reference qualifier works only on the reference columns. Okay, I'll show you for this assignment group here. If you click on this reference icon or the magnifier icon, we have something called 47 groups here. I don't want to display all the groups. I want to restrict regarding some conditions. Right click on the column, go for configure dictionary, and in this dictionary entry called assignment group, go for reference specification. Already we have something called as a reference qualifier condition. Type is null and ITL is like type is ITL. You can go for advanced view to display what reference qualifier they are using. We have simple reference qualifier here, and with these two conditions we can remove these conditions which are already existing, or we can mention like name starts with yes, and or just mention as or here, or name starts with K, or make it as D. Name starts with D, yes, or name starts with D. If I click on update, then if you go for this assignment group column, then it will show only the groups which name starts with S or D. Let's click on this reference icon. You can see that we have dev group, service desk, database Atlanta, and database San Diego, database software and server creators. It's called the simple reference qualifier. Okay, We'll discuss the dynamic reference qualifier along with advanced reference qualifier in the next session. Thanks for having your time. Jai Hind.